tutorial, I will demonstrate how to execute the SQL use command to choose a specific database, switch databases, and delete a database. Please subscribe. Let's start. 1. Use database. General syntax for use a specific database. First write use, then database name. The use command is suitable when multiple databases exist in SQL, enabling the user or programmer to choose and interact with a specific database. We need to use the learning database here, so write use learning. And select this one and execute. In the message, you will see successful. The SQL query select asterisk from table _name here employees is used to fetch all columns and rows from the returning the complete data stored in the table. First need to select query and execute. So you will see the table here. 2. Switch database. To switch from the current database to the student's database, you can use the use command in SQL. This will change the active database to a student's, allowing you to work with its tables and data. Students database, so let's use students. Select this one, execute. This is successfully completed. You will see student on top of database name. So by using use command, you can switch database students and view any of the data from here by using a table name under student database. Add applicants table. So select this one, you can execute. The applicants table will now appear here. The drop database command in SQL is used to permanently remove a database along with all its associated objects, like tables, views, and stored procedures. Use this command with caution, as the action cannot be reversed. So we can execute, and this is sample right now. And we want to drop it. Drop database, then write database name sample. This one. So this drop command will delete that sample database. Make sure to back up any important data before executing this command. However, we encounter an error because we cannot drop a database that is currently in use. Make sure to switch to another database, as I am currently using the student database. So when we select the drop database sample, we can easily drop it. You will see successful on message section. Select the database from the Object Explorer window on the left, and then refresh it. The sample database is no longer available now. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.